how I have made over $17,000, as you can see here on my screen, with ClickBank affiliate marketing in 9 days. Now, I was promoting self-help personal development product, and thanks to great upsell take rate, I was able to generate these kind of results. So if you're wondering how much have I spent on Google ads, because I run Google ads, also Facebook ads, I use TikTok, but this was done with Google pay-per-click ads. So ad spend was around $4,000 and in return I made $17,000, which is not bad, right? Now, the results you can see here, right, are possible because I understand exactly who my audience is, okay? Now, you don't have to learn this by yourself, because the system, it will allow you to start generating results, of course, working 30 minutes to 1 hour per day. This is what it takes, seriously, once you have campaign up and running, okay? So basically, this is like deploying soldiers. Soldiers is your money, right? Most people ask me, okay, but how I can make money back if I spend money on Facebook ads or Google ads? The reason most people are afraid to spend money on ads, and it's not your fault, is because they don't understand how it works, okay? It's not just about paying, spending, or investing money. It's about understanding who is your audience, having the right message to the market match, okay? And also having someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step, over the Zoom call, for example, hand-holding you and help you together with you to set up the ad campaign. This is the fast solution for you to start having results in 2025, okay? It's not about buying outdated courses that used to work years ago. And in 2025, you have to understand the fastest path to results is having someone who can help you and guide you step by step along the way, one-on-one. Okay, that's the real solution. Okay, that's how I was able to make thousands of dollars per day, traveling to over 68 countries. You can go and check out my Instagram, okay, my Facebook Messenger, my WhatsApp. I have everything in the description under this video. But the most important thing is this: when you're running ClickBank offers, when you're promoting ClickBank products, you don't have to show your face. It's not about making great videos or being IT expert. No, affiliate marketing is promoting other people's product, okay? But in order for you to be successful with it, you need to have someone to show you exactly how marketing psychology work on a deeper layers, deeper levels of this game. All right? Most gurus on ClickBank, they will give you a course, $3,000, $4,000 that used to work 3 years ago, 2 years ago. This is for mass market. I'm not doing this for mass market. I'm doing this only for people who are serious, who want to get results, who have at least 30 minutes to 1 hour per day and some money to invest in themselves to start generating these kind of results, because it's totally doable, right? The most important thing is this: once you're promoting, let's say, weight loss products, you have to understand what kind of language you're using in your ad copy. Take toward language, away language. All this is important. Now, you don't have to, again, you don't have to learn this and practice yourself. You don't have to be a master copywriter. No, the shortcut to success is having someone who can help you along the way. For myself, I love affiliate marketing because I know how it works. Okay, I know when I'm running, I don't know, dating products, right? Weight loss offers, back pain offers, casino offers, all this kind of stuff. I understand the markets. Okay, I understand the language patterns. I understand, is it low emotional state or high emotional state audience? Okay, all this is important. And this is how the magic happens. And that will allow you to start working naturally 30 minutes to 1 hour per day, managing your campaigns. And the beauty of this is no one knows what you're doing. Your family members, unless you tell them, of course, but you don't have to, right? You can promote any products. You don't attach your name to it, your face, okay? You can do it from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you live, India, Australia, US, Canada, UK, Germany, it doesn't matter. Spain, right? You can do it from anywhere. There are people, you look left and right, making money with affiliate marketing, right? Otherwise, why would they be spending the millions per month on Facebook ads, on Google ads, right? All that is possible. It's still possible in 2025 to make money online, but you have to be serious enough to be action taker, not excuse maker. Not making excuses and look for the reasons not to do something, right? It's doable, it's possible. Let me know as you watch this video if you're serious, if you really want to take it to the next level in 2025, Maybe you want to go to this dream vacation you ever dreamed about, right? In Bali, Maldives, I don't know, Australia, Thailand, anywhere in the world, Switzerland, right? Maybe you want to take care of your parents, maybe your spouse, maybe your family, your kids. All this is doable. You can do it for them, like I did it for myself, right? It's all doable, but you have to be action taker, not excuse maker and procrastinator, okay? Because life is short. You can always make more money. You can always make more money, but you cannot get your time back. You cannot make more time. You can receive more money all the time. Okay, it's doable. So again, thank you for watching this video. If you have any kind of questions, if you're serious, let me know. My WhatsApp number, my Instagram, my Facebook Messenger and email is in the description below.